What if I told you the secret to unbreakable asterisk? Confidence isn't about winning every argument or always being the smartest person in the room. What if it's about embracing what you can't control and mastering what you can? Unbreakable confidence, the Stoic way. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a philosophy that's been shaping leaders and resilient minds for over 2,000 years, Stoicism. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by life's curveballs, struggled with self-doubt, or just wished you could feel more grounded and in control, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have practical, actionable Stoic principles to build a fortress of confidence that external circumstances simply can't shake. Stick around. 1. What is Stoicism and what it's not? Control versus no control. Virtue is the only good. So what exactly is Stoicism? Forget the stereotype of emotionless robots. Stoicism isn't about suppressing feelings. It's about understanding them and not letting them dictate your actions. It's a practical philosophy focused on living a virtuous, rational life, finding inner peace, and developing resilience. Think about it. How often do we get truly upset about things that are completely outside of our power? Traffic jams? Other people's opinions? The weather? A lot, right? Stoics recognize this fundamental truth. The world is divided into two categories: things we can control and things we can't. Our judgments, our desires, our actions, our values, those are in our control. Everything else, health, wealth, reputation, the actions of others, the past, the future, not so much. The core idea is that true happiness and confidence come from focusing exclusively on what you can control, your own character and your responses. Everything else is indifferent. Now, indifferent doesn't mean unimportant. It means it has no bearing on your virtue or your inner peace . This is the bedrock of Stoic confidence. Section 2. The dichotomy of control. Your confidence blueprint. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. The dichotomy of control is the foundation of Stoic confidence. It separates life into two categories: what you can control, what you cannot control. Why this creates unbreakable confidence. Confidence collapses when you depend on things outside your control. Stoic confidence grows because it depends only on you. When you stop needing outcomes, approval, or certainty, you become mentally untouchable.